saga continues.
Okay, so now, what I'm here to tell you, this is King Divine. This is my brother since I've been in 1055 Rosedale Avenue.
Okay.
All right. So the whole, everybody been saying different things, but I'm gonna let you know. The first breakdancing here, hip hop here. This is Bronxdale Project. First DJ to do the stuff on thing here, Disco King Mario. So now this is my brother Divine. He just to let you know, because at 8 years old, we was rocking Playboys, we was rocking British Walkers, we was rocking all that stuff, and the breakdancing started here. I'm gonna tell you how the breakdancing started.
Okay, first section, he ain't lying to you.
Yeah, okay.
Right? First section.
You say he started breakdancing?
That's
Yeah.
what it is.
Yeah.
And that's
Okay.
real. Now this is King Divine. All right.
Okay.
Now we got a whole bunch of other people who's gonna come and verify exactly what I'm saying, yo.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
This, and I hate to say it, like I said before, Hurt they ain't start nothing. Not with hip hop.
Well but then how did it get all the way out on the west side of the Bronx? Like, 'cause they was the ones going
Because
to
they was
Hurt
coming
parties.
over here.
They was
When
going
we
to,
allowed them to come over here.
Uh.
All right. Guru just left. Guru is the founder of the Black Spades. Guru just left. He just was here. All right. He was the founder of the Black Spades. So we are first division. We're not second division. We're not third division. We're first division. Okay, so that's where it starts. Number one is where it starts at. All right, so I know everybody's got all of these things to say and everything. And another thing I gotta say on record: the reason why I had Apache first, I had it from different versions, but the reason why I had it first, because the Incredible Bongo Band used to play on the benches right over there, and they used to play on the benches right there, right in the circle.
and all those wins. Video. And that's true though? That's true? Yeah.
And just like me and
A
Green
bongo
Eyes,
band?
when me and Green Eyes said it on tape.
How can we still know that same shit if it wasn't happening?
Me and Green Eyes said it on tape, and we said boom, 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 bop.
Sounds of major people, Willie Cologne.
All that started from the benches right there. Okay, you can't see it because they took out the benches, but that's the first section. We're in the second section right now. All right, right under his window. All right, and I used to live right there, 1055 Beach Avenue. 1055 Rosedale Avenue, and I moved from 1055 Rosedale Avenue to 1085 Beach Avenue. All right, I was the first one in the projects ask anybody to have a mini bike, and I could ride all over the project. Nobody ever messed with me. Little pup, nobody messed with me. I was here when the pool was there, when that building was the Volkswagen place. I got pictures of me exactly of when Blackie and I'm the one that was sitting. Blackie was the Black Spades dog. Nobody talks about Bullet because Bullet was after Blackie.
Right.
Okay, so you wouldn't know about that unless you was.
That was one of the smartest dogs I ever seen in my life.
In your life.
Blackie, the Black Spades mascot, yo, he was one of the smartest dogs I ever seen in my life.
And you have to experience that. You have to know that. That's why, and a lot of people don't know, and that's why they got the things to saying that hip hop started on the west side, because they couldn't come to Bronxdale.
Yeah. No, we just saying breakdance started on the west side.
And I'm telling you,
it started at.
I'm telling you where it started. And the reason why it was so contained is because people couldn't come to Bronxdale. Back when in the 70s, when we were here, Bronxdale was the truth.
We protect this project.
We was getting dope dealers and whipping their ass for coming around here with that bullshit. Don't bring that to our community.
We chased all the junkies off the corner. Jews, drugstore. All them fucking junkies used to be there. We ran them all out of here.
We protect this project.
Bronxdale was the truth.
Our parents could come outside and have to worry about all gunshots and all that shit.
Yeah, no, we didn't have that gunshot.
That's right, man. We didn't have that. We didn't allow it.
Nope.
Bronxdale was the truth.
Y'all was trying to make it what, clean for the neighborhood?
We did.
Nobody had to. Everybody's mother, as long as they got in here.
Bronxdale was the truth.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You couldn't come up in here.
You couldn't come up in here talking all that.
Definitely got to come up in here and do nothing to nobody.
Exactly.
If you didn't live in Bronxdale, you could not hang out there. You could not sell nothing there. And matter of fact, they walked on the outskirts of Bronxdale.
Exactly. All right.
Was you breakdancing too?
No, I was too much of a thug back then.
Exactly.
I was too much.
We'll run and get him after somebody say, yo, you beat us, and they try to do something to us because we beat them in breakdancing.
I was thugging.
So run and go get
Let's go get the posse. But I was running with Mario, little family, little Gavin and all of them. WC and all these brothers raised us.
Hello, yes indeed. My name is DJ Boogeyman, WC, Mr. C, Mercy B. We go back a long way in New York City.
You know what I'm saying? These is the individuals that actually try to put us on the map for us staying out of trouble and doing the right thing.
Exactly.
A lot of us grew up without fathers. They had fathers, man. These dudes was our fathers, man. Mitch Green, Peter Williams.
Peter Williams, who's on his way right now.
Yeah.
And that's another thing. If it wasn't us, who we are, blood wouldn't have never came to the thing over there in the park that we did.
Oh, the other week.
That was spectacular.
Yeah, Mitch don't show up for
He
stuff
don't
like
show
that.
up for nothing.
Who's older, y'all two? Who you older? Yeah.
I just turned 30, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, it is. And I'm 35.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
All right. Yo, I'm you related to Barry Kilowatt?
Yeah, that's my baby brother.
That's your big. That's what I remember.
I taught him music.
Okay.
I taught him music.
That's who we was rhyming around.
I taught him how to mix.
Because he was with a lot, right? He was with Dovey, right?
Dovey, Truck Turner, we go back, man.
Okay.
Yo, I'm telling you,
That's
man,
your baby brother.
Yo,
So Barry's from Monroe, though, right? Was he from Monroe?
He moved to Monroe.
Right.
He grew up in Bronx.
In Bronx,
He grew up right here in this building.
there, that building, right there.
What, 1055?
1720. Building.
Yep.
Back then, everybody in that building had a system.
That's right.
And me and my brother was the nicest. We had the raggediest system, but we was nicer than all of them.
And that's what I love. The thing I was trying to tell him. We didn't have turntables. We had record players. Gerard.
Exactly. That's what I had.
Gerard.
2 Gerards. Talk to me.
All right.
All right.
All right. So now that's just one, and it's getting ready to be 10. All right. So please, like I said, Guru just left.
Right.
He's coming back at 4 o'clock.
Right.
This is what it is.
So he's coming back at 4?
Yes. And he just that's little. So what I'm trying to tell you is he came over here and let him know I was one of the first baby spades.
Okay.
So nobody could say nothing different. It came out of the mouth of Guru. Guru and David Brockton, who's created the Black Spades.
Okay.
The saga continues.